Okay, this is our Chrome zone, our new Chrome zone for the district. This is where we are keeping all of the devices that we have collected so that we have spares as students need them. And this is our Chromebook prep table where we have our sanitizing materials, that we know how to use and where to use them on the devices or power cables, just so that we're sure that we're handing out something that is as disinfected as possible. What we'll do is we are going to, we've created these drop-off buckets for each day, and that will be the bucket for the day. So what we'll do is on the day that we arrive to complete the exchange, we have our drop-off bucket, and then we have a bucket for each 15-minute window where families can report to pick up the device or charger, just based on their exact time frame. We're asking that parents that can't come during that time frame choose another time, because we want to try to limit exposure. And that's why they're so close together, is because there should never be more than one person here every 15 minutes. So this is our plan. Once we bring the devices out here and we put them in for the day based on our appointments and our tech tickets, we would come out here with gloves on, of course, and pick up our drop-off bucket, bring it back into our room, and place it on the incubation table. The incubation table will then be labeled with another "do not touch until," and we are asking for it to be dated 7 days from today's date. So I figured out what 7 days are from today. I wrote today's date down there, that it's from that collection, so that it verifies with this, and I initialed it. And then this would be the one for tomorrow. We'll continue doing that, and we will not touch anything on the incubation table until that 7 days is up, to make sure we're safe. We've got our gloves, we got our hand sanitizer, got our Lysol. I think we're as prepped as we can be. So this is our plan. Hope it helps you guys. Stay well, stay safe. Bye.